Hey everybody, Chris Lilly, pitmaster and partner of Big Bob Gibson Barbecue in Decatur, Alabama. You can use regular chicken stock for this recipe, but I like making my own homemade stock out of my turkey trimmings, water, my celery tops, peppers, and onions. I want to put it on a slow simmer for about 2 to 3 hours until everything gets nice and rich. Now the backbone to any great gumbo is the roux. We're going to start out with equal parts vegetable oil. Now I'm going to sift this flour to go ahead and start breaking up the clumps. Oh, I got a dog loose. Now it's just a matter of stirring this. It's just continuous stirring and scraping the bottom, combining the flour and the vegetable oil. Now this is going to take about an hour to get that deep chocolate color in the roux that we're looking for. We've got a gorgeous color right there, nice and chocolatey. You can go as dark as you want to on this roux, but for the turkey gumbo, I like to stop at this rich chocolate color. Now it's time to cut some veg. Now we've got all our ingredients prepped and ready to go. I think that turkey should be just about done. Let's go check it out. So we brined our Eastern turkey breast all night, and then we cooked it over indirect heat in this pan with a couple cups of our homemade turkey stock. Periodically, we basted it with this beautiful compound butter with fresh herbs. It took about 2 hours on 250 degrees, ready for the gumbo. Now we're gonna let that turkey rest a little while, and while we do that, let's get started on the gumbo. We're gonna strain the stock. We're gonna start our gumbo with about 5 cups of the stock. To that, we're gonna add some of these delicious turkey drippings with the fresh herbs. Some crushed tomatoes. Give that a nice stir. It's time to saute little vegetables. It's gonna take about 10 minutes before the onions start to brown and soften. Oh, the onions are really looking good, starting to brown. Now we're gonna add a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, some fresh garlic, and some Creole seasoning or seafood seasoning. Depends on how hot you want it. Now we're just gonna cook this in, and we wanna cook it till it starts sticking to the bottom of the pan. Now it's starting to smell like gumbo. Our turkey's been resting long enough. Let's get it all diced up and get ready for the pot. Now with our meat diced, all the components are done. It's time to make some gumbo. Now for our sauteed vegetables. Our roux goes in next. Oh, that is beautiful. Our diced turkey and andouille sausage. Now we're gonna stir this together, and we're gonna simmer for about 30 to 45 minutes. There we have it, folks. A smoked Eastern wild turkey and andouille gumbo. Thanks for coming by. We'll see you soon.